It looks like a camellia pendant. Turn it over and it will instantly become a water cup cover. It can hold a water glass. It's beautiful and practical. Let's crochet together. And a 2.5mm crochet hook. First, make a circular stitch. Chain 2 stitches to stand up. In the first round, crochet 16 double crochet stitches. Finish and draw through the first stitch. Chain 1 stitch to stand up. In the first stitch, crochet a single crochet 3 chain stitches, skip 1 stitch. In the next stitch, hook a single crochet stitch. Repeat this pattern 3 times. 8 groups in total. Finish and draw through the first single crochet stitch. Chain 1 stitch to stand up. In the chain stitch hole, hook a single crochet stitch. And 7 double crochet stitches in the next chain stitch. Two holes form a group, for a total of 4 groups. 1 single crochet stitch in the next hole, 7 double crochet stitches in the next stitch. After 4 groups, connect the first single crochet stitch and chain 2 stitches. Then pass through this single crochet stitch and hook a back post single crochet stitch. 4 chain stitches. Hook a single crochet stitch in the next pillar, 4 chain stitches. This back post single crochet stitch and 4 chains as a set for a total of 8 groups. Finish and draw through the first single crochet stitch. Chain 1 stitch to stand up. In the chain stitch, hook a single crochet stitch. And 8 double crochet stitches in the next chain stitch. This is a single crochet stitch. 8 double crochet stitches as a set. Make 4 groups. After 4 groups, connect the first single crochet stitch. Hook 2 chain stitches. On the inner single crochet stitch of the previous round, hook a back post single crochet stitch. 4 chain stitches. On the next back post single crochet stitch. And hook a back post single crochet stitch. 4 chain stitches. There are 8 groups in total. Finish the 8 groups and connect the first single crochet stitch. And make a slip stitch. In the chain stitch, hook a single crochet stitch and 1 chain stitch in the same position. Then 6 double crochet stitches. After hooking 6 double crochet stitches, hook another slip stitch, and then a single crochet stitch in the same hole. This is a set for a total of 8 groups. Each slip stitch hole is crocheted like this. After crocheting 8 groups, connect the first. Connect with the single crochet stitch. And make 3 chain stitches. Then insert the hook into the middle of the 6 double crochet stitches. Pass it through from the back. And then pass through the bottom and make a single crochet stitch. 5 chain stitches. This is a set. Pass through in the middle of the double crochet stitch. 5 chain stitches. A total of 8 groups. Finish the 8 groups and connect the first stitch. Chain 1 stitch and cut the thread. Change thread and insert needle into the chain stitch. Chain 2 stitches and stand up. In this hole, hook 3 double crochet stitches. Two chain stitches in the same hole, then 3 double crochet stitches. This is a set, and a total of 8 groups. In the next chain stitch 3 double crochet stitches, 2 chain stitches, finish 3 chain stitches, and connect the first stitch. Chain 1 stitch and cut the thread. Change thread and insert needle into 2 stitches. Chain 1 stitch and stand up in the same position. A single crochet stitch in the gap between the 2 groups, and 7 double crochet stitches. This is a set, a total of 8 groups. In the stitch hole, hook a single crochet stitch and 7 double crochet stitches in this gap. Finish the 8th set and connect with the first single crochet stitch. Then 6 chain stitches. Back to the same position and connect. Chain 1 stitch and cut the thread. The back of the flower piece is circular. Start with 2 stitches and stand up. In the first round, crochet 14 double crochet stitches. Finish and slip stitch with the first stitch. Chain 2 stitches and stand up. In the following rounds, you need to pull up and stand up. The second round is 14 double crochet stitches and 1 increase, which means you crochet 2 double crochet stitches in each stitch. The third round is 1 double crochet stitch, 1 increase as a set, a total of 14 groups. The fourth round is 1 double crochet stitch and 1 increase, and 1 double crochet stitch as a total of 14 groups. On the fifth round, chain 1 stitch to stand up, and hook a single crochet stitch in the same position, then leave 2 stitches empty. In the next stitch, crochet 7 double crochet stitches. Then leave 3 stitches empty. This way, 7 stitches form a group and make 8 groups. After the 8th group, connect the first single crochet stitch. Then crochet 40 chain stitches and connect in the same stitch. Chain 1 stitch and cut the thread. Put the 2 pieces of fabric front to front, with the back side up. Then leave the opening, and pick the outer half stitches. Sew them one by one, and hook a single crochet stitch in each stitch. Both pieces are picked up the front loop stitches. When there is only 1 petal left, only pick the front piece. Also pick the half stitches close to the outside, and crochet a single crochet stitch in each stitch. After hooking, connect with the first stitch. Now start to crochet the net pocket. Chain 1 to stand up. In the same stitch, crochet a single crochet stitch and 10 chains. Then leave 4 stitches and work next stitch, and hook a single crochet 4 chain stitches. Leave 4 or 5 stitches empty and don't hook the next stitch, and hook a single crochet stitch and 10 chain stitches. Repeat according to this pattern. 4 groups in the middle. First hook 11 groups with 5 stitches empty. After 11 groups are finished, the last group starts with 5 chain stitches on the first single crochet stitch, and hook a 3-turn double crochet stitch. The first round is done. Start the second round. Chain 1 to stand up. In the hole, hook a single crochet stitch, 10 chain stitches. In the next hole, hook a single crochet stitch, 10 chain stitches, and a single crochet stitch in the next hole. 10 chain stitches. Repeat according to this pattern. The last group, start with 5 chain stitches on the first single crochet stitch, and a 3-turn double crochet stitch. The second round is done. Follow the method of the second round until you reach the desired height. Finally, close the loop and add a handle to complete it.